Hello friend, let us discuss some problem related to a theorem that we have already discussed in the chapter circle. So there is a problem given in your book. Actually this is the example of your book. Two tangent TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O. So TP and TQ are two tangent drawn to the circle whose center is O. Now we have to prove that PTQ is equal to OP 2 into OPQ. We have to prove this one. So first let us write down the data given to us. Here O is the center and TP and TQ are the tangents drawn external point T. So TP and TQ are the two tangents drawn from the external point T. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove TPTQ is equal to 2 into OPQ. So now let us take proof. So these are the data given to us and we have to prove that PTQ is equal to OPQ. So let PTQ is equal to theta. Let it be theta. Now you can see that by the theorem 10.2 of your book, what the theorem 10.2 says? 10.2 says the tangent drawn from the external point to a circle are of equal length. It means TQ and TP are equal and TPQ is a what? Triangle. TPQ is a triangle whose two sides TP and TQ are equal according to theorem 10.2. Here according to theorem 10.2 PTQ is an isoscale triangle. You can write like that, as TP and TQ are equal, so triangle TPQ is a isoscale triangle. Now you can see if PTQ angle is equal to 1 theta, then TPQ angle plus TPQ angle plus TQP angle is equal to 180 degree minus theta. Why? Because sum of three angle is how much? 180 degree. Now if one angle is theta, then sum of these two angle is how much? This will be 180 minus theta. This sum of these two angle is 180 minus theta. As this is theta, look, theta plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. Then this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree minus theta. By subtracting this angle, we can get sum of these two angles. Now TPQ is equal to TQP. Why? Because these two sides are equal and these are the angle to the opposite to the equal side. Opposite angle of equal side of a isosceles triangle. Means, as this is a PTQ is a isosceles triangle whose two sides are equal, TP and TQ. If these two sides are equal, then the angle opposite to these sides are also equal. So TPQ and TQP are also equal. This is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. Here putting equation 2 in equation 1, what will happen? Angle TPQ plus angle TPQ equal to 180 degree minus theta, implies TP 2 into angle TPQ is equal to 180 degree minus theta, implies TPQ angle is equal to 180 degree minus theta by 2, implies TPQ angle is equal to 90 degree minus theta by 2. Got it? Look, TPQ plus TPQ, sorry, here I have, here equation 1, here I get that TPQ plus TQP is equal to 180 degree minus theta. Now TPQ is equal to TQP, this angle is equal to this angle. So by putting this equation 2, this is my equation 2, by putting this equation 2 in equation 1, I will get TPQ plus in case of TQP, I have written TPQ. Why? Because TPQ is equal to TQP as I get here. So TPQ plus TPQ is equal to 180 degree minus theta, implies 2 into TPQ is equal to 180 degree minus theta. TPQ plus TPQ, 2 TPQ, implies TPQ is equal to 180 degree minus theta. 2 is here, 2 is multiplied, so when it changes its side, then it will be it is going to divide 180 degree minus theta. So TPQ is equal to 90 degree minus theta. This is what I got the value of TPQ. This is my equation 3. So let me to omit this. Okay. Now here again OPT angle is equal to 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. OPT. Why? OP perpendicular to PT. OP perpendicular to PT. Acha, OPT means angle OPQ plus angle Q plus TPQ is equal to 90 degree, implies OPQ angle is equal to 90 degree minus TPQ, implies 90 degree minus, what is TPQ? 90 degree minus theta by 2, 90 degree minus theta by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus 90 degree plus, by opening this bracket, theta by 2, 90 cancel, this is theta by 2, implies 2 into OPQ is equal to theta, or theta is what? PTQ. This is proven. Now you can see that this angle OPT, So let us discuss from the starting. Here O is the center and TP and TQ are the tangent. Now you can see TPQ is a isosceles triangle whose side TP and TQ are equal. Now you can see that in this triangle TPQ, angle TPQ and angle TQP are also equal because angle opposite to the equal side. Now let us take PTQ is theta. What is PTQ is theta. So if this angle is theta, then it is obvious that in this triangle, this angle plus this angle is 180 degree minus theta. Why? Because sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and if one of the three angle is theta, then it is obvious that sum of these two angle is 180 degree minus theta. थीटा को निकाल देंगे तो ये दोनों एंगल का मेजरमेंट कितना होगा, सम कितना होगा, 180 डिग्री माइनस थीटा. नाउ आई गॉट TPQ plus TQP is equal to 180 degree minus theta. Again I have already got that TPQ is equal to TQP. Why? Opposite angle to the equal side of an isosceles triangle. So by putting the value of equation 2 in equation 1, I can get here equation 1. What I have got? I have got TPQ. So I write TPQ plus in case of TQP, I have written TPQ again. So is equal to how much? Is equal to sum 180 minus theta. So TPQ plus TPQ is 2 into TPQ is equal to 180 degree minus theta. Now implies that TPQ is equal to, here 2 is multiplied, when it changes its side it is going to divide 180 degree minus theta. Now TPQ is how much? 180 by 2 is 90 and theta by 2 is theta by 2. This is my equation 3, or I don't need to name it. Again this is one part. Now again you can see OPT is equal to how much? 90 degree. Why? As OP is perpendicular to PT. So OPT is equal to what? Angle OPQ plus angle TPQ. This angle plus this angle is equal to this angle. OPQ plus TPQ is equal to the whole angle. So OPQ plus TPQ is equal to 9. In case of OPT, I have written OPQ plus TPQ is equal to 90 degree. So OPQ is equal to what? Plus TPQ. When it changes its side, it will be 90 degree minus TPQ. So 90 degree minus TPQ, what I have got? TPQ is equal to 90 degree minus, inside the bracket, 90 minus theta by 2. Now when I open this bracket, I will get 90 degree minus 90 plus theta by 2. So these 290 are cancelled and I got the result OPQ is equal to theta by 2. So if OPQ is equal to theta by 2, then obviously 2 into OPQ is equal to how much? Theta. And if 2 into OPQ is equal to theta, then theta is how much? PTQ. So I can write here PTQ is equal to 2 into OPQ. Okay, this is all about your chapter 10 circle. This is what we have discussed. So in this class or in last few classes of circle, what we have discussed, let us summarize all this. So first thing, we have discussed about different terms related to circle. Then also we have discussed, or you can say that we have get some more ideas or some depth idea about tangents, like in this tangent part we have discussed the number of tangent, drawn to a circle, like outside. From outside, how many tangent? 2 tangent. From inside, how many tangent? No, 0 tangent or no tangent? No tangent. We can say no tangent. Then on circle, from on a point on circle, how many tangent? 1 tangent. Also, we have discussed length of tangents, and also we have discussed some problems of this chapter related to this theorem or related to this concept. So this is all about the chapter circle, and I hope these classes will help you to get some more ideas or get the ideas about circle and the concept related to circle. Thank you all for your cooperation. Thanks a lot.